Hello everyone, and today we are here to prove that square root of 2 is not rational. So what does that mean? It means that square root of 2 cannot be expressed as a number divided by a number. It cannot be expressed like that. So how do we prove that this cannot be proved like that? Looks like there's no way. So what if we just pretend and set that square root of 2 is equal to n over m and catch a flaw from here? Okay, let's do that. And that is called contradiction. Okay? This is one of the hints that it gave us. Not rational. So let's do the rational and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, from here I will multiply m on both sides, getting this. Now let's square it. If I square it here, you see that n squared is an even number, because a number multiplied by itself is a number that is 2 times something, right? So it means you can divide it by 2 on each side. So from here, it shows that n squared is even. So now from here, we can say that n is also even, because let's just give throughout the examples that n is even numbers. Like this, right? 2 times 2 is 4, even. 4 times 4 is 16, even. 8 times 8 is 64. And 16 times 16 is 256. So, all of this is even. So, even times even is even. Right? So, if n is even, that means you can multiply a number and multiply it by 2, right? For example, if n is like 10, then k is 5. If n is 2, if k is 1, then n is 2. So n is 2k. Now, if n is 2k, let's just substitute this into here, because that would get us this. Now let's divide 2 on each side. Now, do you see the same kind of pattern? Because there is a pattern. This and this, right? It's common sense by now that you know m squared is even. And what I have explained earlier, now m is even. Okay? So n is even, which is equal to a number. N-U-M-B-E-R. And this is also a number, right? An even number. So, square root of 2 is an even number, which is called an en, even number, divided by even number. But we know that you're not supposed to. This shouldn't be canceled off, right? Like this. Square root of 2 cannot be like that. So that's why we catched a flaw in this when I said square root of 2 is equal to a number divided by number. So this video was about how square root of 2 is not rational or irrational. Bye.